nipa wo no ekukudam ne etitre Minister for Defense Edward Omane Boamah eka ho ye Mr. Samuel Sapon former Ashanti Regional Minister oka ho Honorable Mutala Mohammed MP Temale Central onoso ka ho yes Chief of Staff say nipa makomako nsia abanya soma wo mo so mkodi dwuma ewo boase ena helicopter yi akohwe asiama nipa nsia nyina kranananananana for miraho miraho video sami hu no achi me so monfa binto so na yenhwe breaking news na bad emagana bad very very bad Minister for Defense Dr. Edward Omane Boamah dead omo eka ho monfa meto so monfa video neto so Mr. Samuel Sapon former Ashanti Regional Minister yeso wo mu bi Honorable Mutala Mohammed MP Temale Central onoso ka ho Chief of Staff say nipensia ena na wo helicopter ni mu bra esi ye wo Adansi sikamana eben Adansi Akrofrom District Ashanti Region na omuko jina baya na mu akodi dwuma ewo boase cooperative mining and skills development program ana ekoso wo boase no omo antimi ankodu Adansi Akrofrom ho a kranananana ni pensi nyina my god my god my god my god my god my god Mkai Mr. Sapon ba han nche kra tutunu ntoma yimi mfoni baako na birthday Minister for Defense Dr. Edward Omane Boamah ka ho bi sanso na Mr. Samuel Sapon former Ashanti Regional Minister or helicopter ni mobi Honorable Mutala Mohammed MP Temale Central or helicopter ni mobi Chief of Staff say nipensia na ekojina banya na emu ewo boase nanso Adansi sikaman ewo Adansi Akrofrom mu helicopter na kohwiase ama won mu nyina nipensia ni nyina obia to anananom ewo nsiedo na omukodi dwuma wo boase government cooperative mining and skills development program omankodu helicopter no akohwiase dia bagana no ish oh
Aturencham kasi yapani wo aturencham kasi yapani Ghana
ejadem butu ade anchi ai
Oyerepa FM 100.7.
May their soul rest in perfect peace. May their soul rest in perfect peace. Minister for Defense Dr. Edward Omane Boamah. Mr. Samuel Sapon, former Ashanti Regional Minister. Honorable Mutala Mohammed MP Temale Central. Chief of Staff for say nipensia enanka ekodi dwuma ewo oboase nanso Adansi sikaman helicopter na kote ahwe ama ejadem se nipensia nyina obia to ananamum ewo nsiedo aban dwuma na nkom kodi ye government cooperative mining and skills development program na launch na ekoso ewo oboase se nipensia nyina atwa nananom ewonsiedo Black Wednesday Black Wednesday Ayarehosem. Ayarehosem. Omama ye vem nyina akofom. Ayarehosem. Ayarehosem pa. Edding. Edding. I bet more titri.
Oyerepa FM 100.7.
Yeah.
Video na helicopter be jamu na makura me kasa am twa na helicopter here the day say obi ante sound no so sima ni ti na friend no play shuwa na ni pa wo me nyina ya bregu ni ba be nya kura ka so kura me nya juma na ka so ya me nya juma ngrofo papa ngrofo mama
to announce a national tragedy involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane Boamah, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Mutala Muhammad, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemonad, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. And government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.